And now why don't we head into the DivedIn application, starting with the diversity planning tool. So the diversity planning tool is a tool that we will use against the LOCOMeX application, which will give us some predictions around how we can meet our diversity goals. And you can see that you can look at everything in details, including what's in the labor, what's in equipment, materials. It tells you what's diverse versus non-diverse, and allows you to look at this as a good snapshot of what you can do. So once you're satisfied, and that's one of our, and that's the diversity planning tool. Another tool that we have within the LOCOMeX DivedIn platform is the Team Optimizer tool. When you select Team Optimizer, the application runs an AI-driven calculation that looks to see who is available within the network of suppliers within the region of your project that will meet your goals, whether it's your diversity goals or your financial goals, or it's all based on those original risk scores that you added to the project, and it will return all the suppliers that can meet these requirements, including their risk scores. Also from here, if you find that this supplier might be a good fit, then you can invite them to start to be a part of the pre-planning process with you. So when you send a invitation, the invitation is then stored in the under the project itself, under the project team, and it has sent a notification to the individual supplier. And once they agree, then they will be added to be a part of the collaboration of the pre-planning. Also, you can change the statuses on your own. If they've contacted you and said they're going to be a part of the team, or if you want to cancel the request. Or when they respond, they'll also send comments, so this is where you'd be able to read all that. Okay, so back to the DivedIn tool, we're going to take a quick look at what happens when we run our pre-bid reports. All right, so first thing that happens is it asks us if we should include all areas of ESG. So you have the option to exclude in your reports in case it's not something that applies to you, or it's not something that you need to report on. So the pre-bidding report does a full calculation and report of the project goals based on the LOCOMeX AI-driven algorithm on how well you will meet these goals based on the suppliers available within your region, also based on your risk scores and your diversity goals. This is a point-in-time report, and it does save a long-term history of this, so you'll be able to go back to these at any time.